This print will stress test your printer, your slicer settings and the filament you print with in so many ways. Let's get into it. Number 1. The overhang test will show you at what angle you should turn on the support structures. Number 2. This part will show you just how good your retraction and temperature settings are from keeping the stringing away. Number 3. The bridging section will show you if the filament and print settings are solid enough to do some bridging. Number 4. You can test just how accurate your printer and print settings are with various holes, extruded walls and distances. Number 5. It even has a part that tests your support settings. And number 6. This print is quite big, so it will also test your bed leveling. Just make sure that you calibrate your printer and filament before trying to print this. Happy printing!